Yo guys, it's Brodus128 over here back doing another day. I'm gonna show you guys how to build a PC. All the components. This is a motherboard. This over here is the RAM. This is a CPU. This is the CPU fan, the power supply, the SATA cable, it's the SSD. And that's the case and one fan. So now I'm gonna show you guys how to build this PC. 2 gigs of DDR2 RAM. Which, if I'm correct, this is 800 megahertz. So this is a very old PC. This CPU came out like 2007. So this is not a PC for gaming. This is just a PC for browsing the internet and watching YouTube, checking emails. Drop the CPU like this in. You guys see the notch is aligned with that opening over there. Drop it in, then close this. Don't be afraid to close it. It's gonna feel tight to close it. Just close it. Don't be scared. Make sure this notch here aligns with this line in the middle. Install it, and don't be afraid to press on the RAM. You should hear the click sound like this. Now the second one. Now we can install the CPU fan. The CPU fan, to connect the CPU fan to the motherboard, is always close to the CPU, so it will be the CPU. So it will be here, or somewhere here, or here. I don't think here, but normally here, or here. So that this 4 stuff connects to this 4 holes over here. You guys can see on the board. Just press it in. Just make that sound. All you do now is you turn this. Now the CPU fan is connected to the board, as you can see. Yes, it's connected on this side and over there. So now what we're gonna do is we install this into the case, and I'm gonna show you guys how to install in the case. So here's the case. It's an old case, and then the motherboard should sit on this risers over here. So now you want to just drop your motherboard here in. Be careful. Move it against the IO seal like that. And 6 screws to connect this motherboard. So this is a 775 bottom board. Put them in a cross pattern. So you're gonna put one here, and then you put one here, right at the bottom. Then the top corner, right at the bottom, and then the 2 middle. So here I'm putting one right at the bottom. This is a 400 watt power supply, as you guys can see there. Come focus, total output power 400 watt. So I'm gonna show you guys how to put this in, and then I'm gonna show you how to connect all the cables to the motherboard. I don't have a graphics card, and the CPU doesn't have integrated graphics, so that's why I say you can't play games on it. And even if you don't have a graphics card, you can't play games on it. And if you want to install the graphics card, this is where you install it. The PCI slot, installed right over here. And this is like your Wi-Fi card. Make sure those are aligned there and there. This is how it looks inside the case. The cables are not connected. I just want to screw this. In future videos, I will show you guys how to build a PC, but a modern PC, and a better PC, and a much more better quality video. Now I'm gonna show you guys how to connect all these cables. The first cable you wanna plug in is the 24-pin motherboard cable, which is located over here. 24-pin. It's very easy to build a PC. Some people think it's difficult, but it's not. There we go, it's connected, mate. And if you want to take it out, just press on this thing and pull it out. Then this, I really don't know what is this, to be honest. But you plug it in there, and you just want to look at it. There's only one way. The thing is with computer stuff, there's only one way to go in, so that makes it easy. like the 24 one, there's only one way you can go in. Same with this, only one way. Same to install hard drives, only one way to connect this cable to the hard drive. I'm gonna first install this. So this is one of the most difficult part of all in a PC that's connected. I recommend you to keep the SSD instead of a hard drive. This is a 120 gig SSD. There's only one way this can be installed, and you will see. Oops, installed, mate. Set the cable. Also, only one way this go in, and it goes right here. So you put it here. Install this, and voila.